Welcome to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we will learn how to draw a straight line in WPS Office step by step in the simplest way possible. So, if you're ready to make your documents look neat and professional, now let's get started. Step 1. First thing first, unlock your phone and open the WPS Office application. Make sure you are logged into your account, because some features may require you to be signed in. Step 2. In the menu, you will find all the available options. Locate the document where you want to add or draw a straight line, and tap on it to open. This ensures you are working on the correct file. Step 3. Once your document is open, look for the menu icon at the bottom of the screen and tap on it to expand the list. From there, go to the Insert section, which contains tools to add different elements to your document. Step 4. In the Insert menu, find the Shapes section. You might see a small 3 dots option that reveals more tools, so tap on it. This will display all the available shapes you can use. Step 5. Now choose the straight line from the Shapes list. Once selected, the straight line will automatically be added to your document. Use your finger to drag it into the desired location. You can adjust its size by pulling the edges, ensuring it's exactly how you want it. When you're satisfied, look for the Save icon at the top and tap it. This will save your document with the straight line in place, so your changes are not lost. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more simple and useful tech tutorials.